Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've changed your phone number and want to update it in Telegram on your iPhone without losing chats or contacts, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Now tap Edit in the top right corner to open Profile Editing options. After that, tap on your phone number. Select Change Number. Then tap Continue. Select your country code and enter your new phone number. Now tap Next. You'll receive a verification code via SMS or call. Enter the code to confirm the new number. Once verified, Telegram will automatically update your account to the new number. Your chats, groups, and media will remain unchanged. And that's how you change your Telegram phone number on iPhone safely and easily. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.